In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search for words in Adobe Acrobat Reader. Knowing how to search within a PDF file can dramatically improve your efficiency, whether you're working with extensive reports, ebooks, or any PDF document for that matter. Let's dive into this straightforward process that will help you quickly find specific words or phrases. First, you'll want to begin by opening your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you haven't already installed Acrobat Reader, it's readily available for download from the Adobe website, and it is necessary for this task because other PDF viewers might not have the same features. Once you've got Acrobat Reader running, go ahead and open the PDF file you need to work with. You can do this by clicking on File in the top left corner of the interface, selecting Open, and then navigating to the file on your computer. Now that your document is open, the next step is to access the Find toolbar. If you're using a Windows computer, press Ctrl and F together. Mac users, you won't be left behind. Simply press Command and F. This shortcut is a fast and efficient way to access the search bar without having to navigate through a bunch of menu options. Keep in mind that although this is a small step, it is key to starting your search. Once the Find toolbar pops up, you'll see a space where you can type in any word or phrase you're eager to locate. Be as specific as you need to be. The more unique your word or phrase, the faster you'll be able to narrow down your search results. As you type, remember that using correct spelling is crucial because the search tool's functionality is as precise as your input. Now, you'll see arrows, typically positioned at the edge of the Find toolbar, that can help you navigate through the different occurrences of your search term within the document. By clicking on the next arrow, you'll jump to the first appearance of your searched term, and by continuing to click, you'll find subsequent occurrences. If you're looking to review past instances, clicking on the previous arrow will take you backward through your search results. Take your time to go through each occurrence to find exactly what you're looking for. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can efficiently search for words or phrases in any PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. Remember, mastering this basic yet powerful tool can make a world of difference when dealing with large documents, highlighting how technology can simplify our daily tasks. Keep practicing this method, and soon it'll become second nature. Thank you for watching. And be sure to share this video with anyone who could benefit from streamlining their PDF reading process.